There we go. Oh my God. Let's fucking go. And this is the area we're gonna be fishing at. I'm always fishing. Here's one of my favorite spots in Baytown. We actually in Baytown, east side of Houston. But came out here fishing with this yesterday. Like something in my throat. Damn. Came out here fishing yesterday, and we didn't catch anything. So we're just gonna try it again today. Let's clip that off. Real fishermen, man, y'all keep these in handy. Gonna make sure y'all can see me pretty good while I'm talking to y'all. So we're gonna see what they're gonna do today, man. They was not acting right yesterday, and we're gonna see if they're gonna try to, you know, get them to come to us today. 20-pound test on this line, which I think is probably too big. I probably should have stuck with the lower test, 12, 10 maybe. But we headed off now, man. Let's go get it. Once again, if you're new to the video, man, make sure y'all smashing that like button. Guide y'all on what I do on my day-to-day fishing tour, fishing trip. I'm out here at just a regular little park, man. Any park you find, you feel like it got some water, you want to know if it got fish. The only way you're gonna know if you see somebody catching. No, don't land on me. If you see somebody catching fish, or if you go out there and fish yourself, you feel what I'm saying? So this is my little, I call it my favorite spot, but this is really one of the main spots I always fish at, y'all. Out here in the little park in Baytown, Texas. So I'm sitting here questioning like why there's a lot of, just the water look different. But now I see why. People being here fishing, chopping down the trees and all that stuff, probably doing some crazy stuff. There's ducks in here now, but okay, now this side look more promising. For sure. Okay. Look like people been look like they've been trying to clean out the area to fish at. The water's actually calm right here, y'all. So we're gonna try it right here. You can see the water is actually calm, real calm to be exact. So hopefully it's promising on this side, baby. Hopefully it's promising on this side. On this side, fellas. The water seems more calm over here. Straight out. I think we fished from that angle over there yesterday, so we're gonna try to do it different this time. There we go. Oh my God. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. That's the big one, baby. That's a big one, baby. Let's go. Oh my God. No. Don't get in there. Let's go. Come on, Mama. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, baby. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, y'all. I told y'all yesterday. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's fucking go. I told y'all yesterday. Hold on. Let me get the hook out of my mouth. Oh my God. Come up and hit it right away. Give me a minute, y'all. Oh my God. That's fucking, oh my closet. Oh my closet. Let's go. Let's go. But I see. We ain't gonna have that. Can't be slipping off like that, my guy. Especially not in no time like this. So that's what I was saying. Whenever. See this hook, he gonna flap in a minute, watch. Get hooked good. I love these hooks. Got it out, man. Let's fucking go. Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Nice size right there, baby. Nice size bass, man. Yes, sir. Like I said, man, it's the same worm that I was using yesterday. Same worm, same setup. Came out here yesterday, didn't catch anything. Come out here today, man, and we kill it. So I definitely gotta send this to the guys at work, man. So once we snap it up, man, like I said, throw it straight out. And I was fishing that side early yesterday, throwing it straight out, man, and you know, give it a little jerk, and right off of this bait right here, man. That's crazy. Right off of this bait right here, y'all. This the setup. This the worm we caught it off of. Knew I was gonna at least get one good one out of it today, for sure, for sure. Fishing that side, and there ain't nothing down there. I knew the water was kind of different, and it wasn't like how it normally is. But when I come down here and I see all the green vegetation in the water, and this big thing come out of there and hit it, as soon as I saw it pull, I knew it was official, man. So we're gonna get this thing back in the water. Let me get another picture so I can post it on the social media. Yeah, hey man, it's part of the fishing, man. Had a great day. We're gonna throw it back out there again and get some more for sure, for sure. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we headed out right now, man. I only caught one today, which was a pretty nice size. Fought for a nice. He was up jumping, trying to spit it out like crazy. But it was on this side. Now usually I'm gonna start fishing on this side more from the jump in the morning times, or whenever I do come out here and fish, because I always catch one right on this side. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. Y'all saw we caught him off of. We caught him off of this bait right here. Y'all can see that. Caught him off of that bait, and I'm hungry right now, so we headed out. Gonna go grab something to eat, and gonna stop by the crib, edit a few videos, and we're gonna go from there, man. If y'all like the video, I'm tired. If y'all like the video, man, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more. We're gonna try to do, you know, more videos at least once a week or twice a week. It don't matter. With these type of videos, fishing. If y'all got some more locations y'all feel like I should go fish, just let me know. I'm trying to get into saltwater, but I don't have any saltwater poles. Most of mine are freshwater, so if y'all got any saltwater recommendations, drop the location down there. We'll go fish them, and we'll video with this beautiful camera, man. Y'all know what's going on. Peace out. Appreciate y'all for watching, man.